I'm trying to run my diesel heater off my new BougeRV power station. 38 watts. I'm going to watch what the glow plug, how much power it takes. Fan's running. I want to watch it when the glow plug kicks on. This is just temporary. I ordered a new power cord. I'll plug into this 12-volt socket. I want to be able to run the power station all night off of this new power. I want to run the diesel heater all night off this new power station. I just charge this up to 99%. There goes the fuel pump. There it ignited, 100 watts. Fan's ramping up. This is all experimental. I can't leave it this close to the heat outlet, but I just wanted to try it till my new 12-volt plug-in male comes. It's got 3-foot leads on it, so I can move the power station away from the heat blowing out. Took 2 hours to charge the new power station on my generator from 70% to 99%. So that's maybe a $2.25 worth of fuel in my own end generator. Just trying to be most economical. I'm off grid. See what happens. It's ramping up. Ramping up hotter. Fuel pump's running, that green thing. The glow plug turned off and dropped from 100 and some watts down to 19, now it's 29. Fan's on high speed. There's the temperature coming up. I'm getting warm on my arms with my arms right in front of the 4 outlets. This is supposed to be an 8 kilowatt diesel heater. Temperature's ramping up. Pretty hot. There's the red. Getting up to temperature. So all I'm running is the diesel heater off the 12-volt outlet. Now I got 2 bars of red, so it's putting out a hot heat. So it's ramping down. So this is going to tell me if I just leave it running how much the power draw is. Not much. 6 watts, that's with 2 fans running. Combustion air fan, exhaust fan, and the blower across the manifold heat fan, plus the fuel pump, so 6 watts. This power station is 1100 watt hours, so I should be able to run it for days. 5 watts, 30 watts. it works. 5 watts while it's running.